Davao, Education Program Specialist in Araling Panlipunan, to our beloved and supportive Principal 3, Filomena B. Cadiz, barangay officials, PTCA officials, teachers, parents, friends, ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon. 4 long years in high school, filled with joy and success. Struggle and tears had finally come to its end. Time passed so quickly that I hardly noticed it. I thought it was just yesterday. Events seemed to happen in just a wink of an eye. High school life was colored with responsibilities and trials. With greater strength from God, we faced the challenge in our high school life. And now, it's our day, graduation day. Graduation day makes us happy for a finished task. This is an exact time to thank our ever-concerned teachers who help and sincerely teach us. To our parents for their unending support and love, and for our friends for their moral support. With the exciting moments and experiences during our high school days, we can never forget these chapters of our lives. Fellow graduating students, let us remember that we are a partner towards transformational society and an answer to societal change. Let us do our best, even in simple things, because opportunities rarely come into a person's life. Even if we fail, at least we know that we did our best. In behalf of graduating class of 2011, I welcome you all to our 23rd graduation day.